Today I'm going to be reading Keep Counting, Cuenta Cuenta, illustrated by Ishan Zaidi. Zero. There's nothing on the screen. 1. Uno. I see one truck and one sign and one person. 2. 1, 2 cars. 1, 2 people. 1, 2 signs. 3. I see 3 windows in this building. I see 1 bus, 2 cars, 3 cars, 1, 2, 3 vehicles, and 1, 2, 3 people. 4. There are 4 people in this picture. Can you find them? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are also 4 vehicles in this picture. We have the school bus, we have the garbage truck, we have the yellow car, and now we have a bus. What else can you find that has 4? 5. Now there are 5 people in the picture. There are also 5 cars and 5 street signs. Let's find the street signs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 street signs. 6. There are now 6 people in this picture. Let's find them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's one hiding in the diner. 6. There's a 6th person in there. And now there are 6 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. Let's find 7 of something. I can look in the the grocery store over here on this shelf. How many bags do we see on the shelf? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 bags on the shelf. 8. There are lots of things to count in this picture. There are 8 people now. There are 8 cars. Can you find 8 street signs? The number now is 9. There are 9 shirts in the window. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 shirts in the window of the store. There are also 9 cars. Let's see if we can find them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The ambulance is hiding back here. 9. There are 9 vehicles. What number comes next? 10. The number 10 comes next. Now we have lots of things happening in the city. There are 10 street signs. There are 10 cars and 10 people. There are 10 buildings. Do you think we can find them all? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 buildings. You guys did great counting. What else can you find that there are 10 of in this picture? Here are our numbers, 0 through 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great counting and reading today.